welcome to day 5 of a road trip to Queensland and New South Wales. Me and my Australian friend did a road trip around east coast of Australia, starting from the Gold Coast and up to Brisbane, following down to Byron Bay, Sydney and the Blue Mountains. At the minute we are still based on the Gold Coast, which is where she lives. So today we decided to drive to Lamington National Park, which is known for the ancient Gondwana forests. In order to get there, we did a pretty lengthy mountain drive heading towards O'Reilly's Rainforest Retreat. Some may call it a tough drive, but we really enjoyed it.
Oh, okay. So this is what she was talking about. This is where we want to go. Left. Hollow in the
Yeah.
center.
I need to say the Treetop walk, which was 15 to 16 meters above rainforest floor, that we did through walk suspension bridges and old canopy trees, was pretty spectacular. Personally, the highlight for me was climbing up a ladder in the rainforest canopy, leading to an observation desk. Let's just say it's not for the faint of heart though. Coming down is scarier than you might think. These take fun. We stopped for a coffee at O'Reilly's Mountain Café, which I would highly recommend due to its picturesque views and incredibly chilled vibe.
The government does account for these kind of things. Australia has a lot of...
We then carried on onto Wishing Tree Track. We have to walk through the tree on our path. Do you want to walk through it?
Yeah.
So. yeah, probably head back. For sure, because I miss the sunlight otherwise. Lamington National Park and its tracks is so huge that you would need weeks to properly explore the area. But we decided to move on and headed back on our mountain drive again towards Springbrook National Park and Natural Bridge. We also learned a lot about the history of Gondwana through information boards until it started to get dark, so we decided to make our way back to Southport. Right guys, so that will be the end for day 5 of my Australia road trip. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to me if you would like to see more of these episodes. I have a lot more coming up, so make sure you stay tuned if you care. And please like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!